Hello, welcome to MudgarClub. I'm Anjit Suhag, a traditional equipment practitioner, and this is our second video of the Shena Pushup board series. In the last video, we understood the history of the Shena Pushup board or the Takhte Shena, and in this video, we are going to learn the basic rules of doing the Shena Pushup board or using the Takhte Shena. In the starting, we start with a starting position where we bend our one knee and put our one knee on the ground and 1 foot on the ground, and we put our hands, both hands on the knee of our front foot. From here, we start with some mobilization movement. We go front, back, and then again we change our leg, take the right leg to the front and then do some mobilization movement. In the same way, we can do some mobilization of the wrist, of the shoulder, and then we can start with the Shena Pushup board or the Takhte Shena. And one more thing, when we do this position for the mobilization, we can use this position for taking the rest when we get tired by doing the push-ups on the Shena Pushup board or the Takhte Shena. Whenever we are doing the push-ups on it, and when we get tired, then we can come in this position and give ourselves some rest of 2 to 3 minutes, and then again continue the push-ups with the Shena Pushup board or the Takhte Shena. The one important thing of the Shena Pushup board or the Takhte Shena is the starting position. The starting position is with the wide split legs, as we understood in the last video as well, that why the warriors in the past or in the tradition used to do the push-ups on the Takhte Shena or the Shena Pushup board with the split legs or wide legs. So from here only we start our position, and we keep a distance between the Shena Pushup board or the Takhte Shena in a way that we can go directly on the Shena Pushup board or Takhte Shena without touching the ground, and we can come back without touching the ground. If you have to touch the ground to reach to the Shena Pushup board, or if you have to touch the ground to come back after doing the push-ups on the Takhte Shena, then that's not the right position. You have to decrease the distance between you and the Shena Pushup board if you are not able to go directly and come back directly without touching to the ground. So it will be less distance in the starting because you are new in the starting with the Shena Pushup board, but with the time the distance between the Shena Pushup board and your feet will increase because you will get some strength and the technique to go directly down and come back without touching to the ground. In this, you cannot bend your knee. If you are bending your knee and then you are going down or then coming up, that's not the right way. We have to keep our knee straight. We have to go down on the Shena Pushup board or the Takhte Shena without bending our knee, do the push-ups on it and come back without touching to the ground and without bending our knee. So you cannot bend your knee while going down or while coming back, or you cannot touch the ground while going on the Takhte Shena for the push-ups, or coming back you cannot touch the ground. So these rules are very important. One more important, and it is for the safety purpose, that if you see there is 2 stand on the Shena Pushup board, which is we distribute the weight equally each side. So when we are using the Shena Pushup board, don't put the one hand to one side. You have to use your both hand equally and put the equal weight both side with both hand. If you put just one side more weight, then it may come up and it can give you the injury. So you have to come down, go down and come up by putting the equal pressure or weight on both side, each side and don't put one hand on the Shena Pushup board or while try to come back, then it may give you an injury in the starting. So this is very important rule, that don't put one hand only on the Shena Pushup board to one side. You have to put equal pressure and use your both hand equally on the Shena Pushup board. Otherwise, it may can get up from the one side and may give you some injury at that time. So these are the basic and simple rules before starting the push-ups on the Shena Pushup board and the Takhte Shena. In the next video, we will learn the first kind of movement or the push-ups with using the Shena Pushup board or Takhte Shena. Thank you. See you in the next video.